So I've added more balls and Mum's rolled up my sleeves and it's turned out like this. It's turned out all white because I've added shaving foam, which really helps. Not because it makes it fluffy, because it helps it bind, let's say. I think that's the correct term. And yeah, this is Floam. Anyway, that's all for now. Goodbye, subscribe to the video, and see you on the next one. I think that's enough. That's all for now. Right, anyway, are you still recording? Okay, so I've just added a bit of colour, and I think I added it at the wrong point, but I've added acrylic paint, acrylic bronze. It's like a metallic paint, so I think I've added enough to make it look metallic, but yeah, so I've got a bit not metallic, not painted and painted. This one looks like it's just been cooked. I'm making me laugh. Right, anyway, yeah, this is Floam, or yeah, Floam. So, it's stretchy if you made it correct. Yeah. You've got all the balls in it. So, bye.